Dami kong bit-bit kasi ID comprehensive and we're not allowed to go out. So, ito my stuff, drafting, rendering materials, snacks, food, lunch, jacket, sweater, and that alcohol marker. It's so early. It's around 5:50 a.m. now. Yeah, it's so early. It's around 5:50 and our call time is 7 a.m. So yeah. My hair. See, there's no people around. It's just me, myself, and I. Possibly my last very morning commute going to UST as a college student, so it's bittersweet. It's currently 5:40 something on the clock, but it's around 5:41, something like that. So yeah, pag ganitong oras maluwang pa parking dito. So then yung after that cone, kalikod nitong video mga faculty, dito mga students. Here's my car. So wala lang. Minsan ko na maabutan tong ditong kulog pag nito talaga ako kada dumadating. Pag dumating na ako ng ano dito, 6:30, puno na yan, most like. So ngayon parang magsi-6 pa lang, 5:50. So yun. Dilim. Ang dilim dito. Grabe ang dilim mo. There you go. Yung sa labas ang dilim. So apparently it's just 6:06 and wala pa talagang tao. Ako pa lang. I don't want to be late. Kahapon yung iba, kahapon, today is day 2 of our mock boards. Kahapon, may nauna ng classmates ko dito, pero ngayon ako yung nauna, apparently. So I brought a lot of stuff with me. Here's my alcohol markers, my T-square jacket in case, or sweater. I wore that yesterday. Rendering materials and drafting pens, drafting materials. My food. This is important kasi hindi kami lalabas. So while the test is ongoing, we're eating snacks in between, or we're eating lunch. So yeah. This is the room. So nakataas pa yung mga upuan. Later bababa yan pag may mga students. But it's hot. Cute ni ganito dito. Anong kahapon lang yan. Kagabi. Mga nakula yan. Kasi
Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog. So right now, magkakaroon ng graduation rehearsals. Yes. So ito message namin for Kevin. Message namin to for Kevin. Kevin. Tim, say hi. Tim. Ano ang message mo? Huwag ka makinig, Kevin. Ano ba?
Ang message ko kay Kevin, nakilala ko lang siya.
Last month lang kami naging...
lagi, oy, si Kevin, parang, kasi na-recognize ko siya from yung profile picture niya. Yung profile picture niya sa Zoom. So, uy, si Kevin yun, no? Si Kevin yun. Tangkad niya pala in person. Tapos, saka ko lang siya naka-interact nung, for OJT. Tapos, kailangan mag-video, diba? Kailangan interview. May nag-message isang gabi may nag-message sa akin. Gchat.
Oh.
Sabi ko, sino to? Kala ko si Makipana, si Sir JC. Boosh, Kevin pala. Tapos, kailangan na mag-i-interview daw with Red. Hi, okay, sige. Pagod na ako ng gabi yun. Pero sige, gising pa rin tayo ng maaga for kinamakasan, pinagalitan kami ni Nama. Pumunta ako doon na sobrang stress. Tapos nag-hi si Kevin.
Tapos naging close lang ako kay Kevin nung kinakausap niya. literal exhibit day.
So yun lang.
Literal exhibit day lang kita. Kinausap Kevin.
So sana mas nakilala ko pa si Kevin. Pero feeling ko naman makikilala ko siya in the future pag nakasalamuha ko siya sa field. Ayun, yun lang naman. Siguro yun.
That's all.
High on hoping that the way that you love me could fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on erosion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin.